Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. I am so excited that you're here. I have just created this makeup look and I am super excited because I am only using Juvia'S Place. If you have not heard of Juvia'S Place, I'm gonna need you to get off your rock and go to Ulta right now and get yourself some Juvia, because honestly, they're like one of my favorite right now. It's super affordable and they match my foundation, like my skin tones. All the colors they use goes well with my skin tone, and that's like amazing to me. It's so hard to find a foundation that, I don't have to mix, and it's so like, I hate mixing two colors because it comes out to be expensive. But you guys, lately I've been finding foundation companies or makeup companies that have been bringing out foundations that are, they're amazing for all skin tones. So Juvia'S Place, if you haven't heard of them, this is their new shade sticks that they just came out with. They are amazing. You guys, my face looks flawless right now. And you guys are going to see that I barely used anything. So, you guys ready to see how I created this look? Because I am obsessed with the purples and blues right now. All right, guys, let's get to it. Let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Zulu by Juvia'S. I just love this palette so much because, you guys, I love bright colors. It doesn't look like it because I'm wearing all black, but look at this palette. It's just so nice and so like colorful and pigmented, and I cannot wait to do my makeup today. I'm going to be using this purple one right here, okay, and I'm going to be using this teal looking, it's like blue teal. You guys know I love teal, so those two together, we're gonna hook them up, and hopefully I won't look crazy because I have somewhere to go and it's not gonna look cute. All right, so first thing, you have to prime your eye. Once you have it primed, you can start going ahead and applying your colors. I am going to start with the purple one just because I think it's like so life. That one right there. And if I can find my brush, geez, you would think I would be prepared. Let's go with this one. All right, let's go. Okay, I didn't even put a lot. You guys, I did not put a lot, and look how much pigment it gave me. I feel like just applying eyeliner and just call it a day. That'll look crazy for real. All right, then I'm gonna go with the teal color because, again, I just love teal. If y'all know me, you've been watching some of my YouTube videos already, you already know I love my teals. I like all colors, but blue is just like life. And I'm gonna just apply it down here. That's legit. That is legit. Okay, I always like to go back with my purple or with the color that I used first, just to kind of blend the two together. So you can opt out of that, but I always like to. It just, enhances the color that you had on before, and you can kind of blend them together. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the eyeliner, but you guys know I make funny faces, so I'm gonna do that off camera. Ready? So okay, I added my eyeliner onto my eyes. Y'all know I make funny faces, so I try to do it out of camera, because if not, I'll be like all over the camera. So now I'm gonna do my concealer. And again, I've explained this before, but the orange, I do it because I have really bad dark circles, and that neutralizes the colors of the darkness. So okay, so I'm so excited because I am going to be using the new Juvia'S Place shade sticks. They just came out with them, and guys, if you don't go to Ulta like yesterday, they're selling out. Like, honestly, I was like looking everywhere for my shade, and then they found one. So I am so lucky. All right, so I got the foundation, I got a concealer, and I got one for contouring. And I think it's gonna look pretty legit. I mean, I've seen videos of some YouTubers using it, and it looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited about them, you know, because it's like a 3-in-1 type of thing. So let's see. All right, I'm gonna be using Granada as my foundation. Seems about right. I mean, they swatched it there with me, so. If you literally just tuned in, you're gonna think I'm so nuts. Why does she have all this crazy looking makeup on her face? You should rewind the video. All right. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Look at that. Okay. Get those jaw lines and those necks. You don't want to look like you got two tones on you. I'm gonna apply some more here because I feel like I missed some. Oh, I think I applied a lighter shade. I always try to apply my skin tone one. All right, so I'm gonna apply my shade again. And let's go ahead and start contouring this face. Can y'all see? Can y'all see what I'm doing? It's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, hey. Look a little crazy. No, I don't. My camera's like, what are you doing? Pretty nice. Make sure you blend those things in, guys. That's nice. Very, very, very nice. Okay. I'm also gonna apply my bronzer because y'all know I love my bronzer. You guys, this is nice. This looks pretty legit. Like legit. Alright, for my highlighter, I'm gonna use this one right here. I think that's gonna be pretty for a highlight. Just a nice shade of pink. Okay. I like it. I just wanted a little shimmer. Not so much of like a crazy highlight, but enough to make my face glow. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it looks amazing. Amazing. Blend those all together. I'm liking this, guys. I'm liking this. So the next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows and my lashes, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. So now that my lashes and eyebrows are on point, or on fleek, like y'all say, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line because it is very important to make your eyes pop out. Sometimes I don't do it just because I do want that that look of just cleanliness, but a lot of times I want more of a dramatic look, so that's why I go ahead and add those colors. And I have a black eyeliner underneath, but I'm gonna go over it with the same colors that I went on top. So I'm gonna start with the purple. Just kind of blend that black and the purple together. And the purple I'm using is this. And do it on my other eye. Beautiful. And then I'm going to take that teal. Can y'all see that? Okay, and then the final step is lipstick. And I personally love this red lipstick. It's so hard for me to find a good red lipstick that goes with my skin tone, and this one is one of my favorite ones just because it lasts all day, first of all, and two, it goes out so smooth and is so matted and it doesn't clump up. I love, love, love this red. So let's go ahead and put some red, make yourself ears. Yes, guys. So with that said, this is our final look. I really hope that you guys follow this tutorial and you guys go out and buy this amazing company's makeup. They have like every shade of foundation you can think of. And that's why I love it, because I usually have to mix my foundations, and lately like companies are understanding that some of us have like some yellow tones underneath. So I love the fact that I can only have to use one foundation and I have to mix two. I know a lot of people have the same issue. I promise, if you find Juvia'S Place in any Ulta, you can color swatch right there, and you can have somebody help you in the hall. Like anybody that works there, you can ask for help in swatching, and they'll help you, because they always help me. So try them out. It's not even expensive for what you're getting, and I promise you're gonna be happy. So if you are doing this look, go ahead and comment your picture. I would love to see your final look, or hashtag me being yo, so I can see what you just created. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and share my YouTube videos. That's how like y'all get to share my excitement about my videos with you and your friends. So make sure you share, and make sure you comment and stay active with me. It is like always nice to see people commenting and saying that to keep up doing what you're doing. So again, thank you so much guys, and I hope you like this video. Bye.